So I picked up this little casino handheld game for some reason. I think it came with a bunch of other stuff that I bought a while back, and it's just been sitting in a box. Decided to finally take a look at it. If we look in here, we can see what the problem, at least one of the problems is, and it's these batteries are corroded pretty bad in there. Not sure if there's anything else going on, but let's get it apart. Take a look. Alright, so definitely the terminals are a bit corroded. You can clean that up. Let's see if the oh, well, that wire just fell off. Let's see if the corrosion got into the board at all. Let's see if I can pop this out. I don't think I can. Alright, I'm gonna soak these little things in some vinegar. Try to get some of this corrosion off of it. Ooh. Bubbly. All right, we'll go with that. If it's still a little bit icky, I got a grinding pen we can pull out and try to clean it up a little bit more. I think it's all right. The spring's a bit discolored. There's a lot of corrosion on it. I wonder if there's continuity through it. Probably. I mean, unless there's a lot of tarnish on it. Yeah, I think we're good. I might solder some new wires on this while it's outside of the case. kind of put back together. Hopefully, all right, all put back together, cleaned up in there. Hopefully, we'll see if this is all it was. Oh, I saw a red light come on. Hey, look at that. Yeah, sound works. Oh. Max bet. Ooh. Win. How much did I win? Whee. Well, there you go. Yeah, just some corroded batteries. Pretty simple fix. Easy to do. I know it's a silly game and all, but you know, still fun to check this stuff out and see what's going on. And I really do like handheld games like this. Not so much the gambling ones, but you know, stuff like this is still kind of cool to me, and it'll be an interesting one to add to my little collection on the wall. So, anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know down in the comments, and have a nice day.